how to make a brochure on Canva. So hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a brochure in Canva. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. So if you need to create accounts on Canva, you can use my affiliate links in the description below. I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also receive rewards or discounts by signing up through these affiliate links. So without further ado, let us begin. So once you're in the Canva website and you have now made your account, just simply click on create design right here on the top left corner. And then from here, what you can do is you just simply go to the search bar right here and you just simply search up for brochure. And then there you go. So in here, you can now choose what kind of brochure you would like to make. So they have a brochure right here in landscape mode, a bifold brochure with these kinds of sizes right here, a Z-fold brochure, and a Z-fold brochure with these sizes. So feel free to choose on which kind of brochure you're going to make. So for me, I'll just use this one right here, brochure landscape. So I'll just click on this. And then here you go. We will now be redirected here in the editor. So in here, you can start creating your brochure from scratch, or if you want to make a brochure as fast as possible, you can use the templates right here in the design section in the left side right here. So they have a lot of templates right here that you could choose from. So yeah, feel free to choose which kind of template you want to use. So as an example, I'll use this template right here. And then if you already chosen the template, just simply click on that template. There you go. You can apply it to both pages right here. So just simply click on apply both pages. And then there you go. The template has now been added in our editor. So now what we're going to do is to perform edits to your liking. So if you want to edit out the text right here in the editor, just simply click on the text you want to edit like this. And then you can just simply edit out the details of the text right here. So yeah, for example, I'll just delete this text right here and then just add new text. So for example, I'll just make it as a travel guide in visiting in Italy. So there you go. You can also resize it if you want to. So for me, I'll just resize it. There you go. And then I'll also change the font of it. So for example, I'll change it to this one right here. And then there you go. What you can also do is change the color. So if you want to change the color of your brochure right here, just simply click on the blank space right here. As you can see, there's a background color that says right there. So you can click on it. Afterwards, you can now change the colors from here. So for example, I want to change it to this color right here. There you go. The color has been changed. Let's do it for the other page as well. I'll just select on the blank space, change the background color, and then I'll change it to that. So yeah, there you go. So also try to change the other colors right here. So I want to change it to this color. Same goes with this one right here. And then there you go. So also change the one at the bottom right here. There you go. Then lastly, this one. And then there you go. And then if you want to add additional text right here within your brochure, just simply go to text right here and then you can add a text box, or you can add text styles right here like a heading, a subheading, or a body of text. So when you click on one of these, as you can see, it will now add a text box right here and where you can now add your new text. So yeah, feel free to edit out the text that you want to add. Moving on, if you want to add elements right here, just go to elements and then you can add other elements right here that you can put within your brochure. So for example, I'll just look for elements that are related to Italy. So there you go. I'll just add a graphic right here. So let's say I want to add the Italian flag. There you go. Let's say I'll just put it right here on the top left corner. And then there you go. I'll add some additional graphics right here. So let's say I want to add this as well. A hand holding the Italy flag. Then I'll put it right here on the bottom right corner. So yeah, feel free to add graphics if you want to. You can also add photos right here. So let's say I want to replace this Colosseum photo with this one. So I'll just drag and drop it right there on this section. And then there you go. The image has been changed. Then I want to change the canals of Venice right here. So I'll just drag this image and then I'll just replace it right there. And then there you go. So yeah, feel free to add photos that are directly here from Canva, or what you can also do is upload your own photos. If you want to upload your own photos right here within Canva, just simply go to uploads right here. Afterwards, just upload the photos right here that you want to use for your brochure, and then you can now just simply drag and drop them right here in the editor. Moving on, what you can also do is use these tools right here. So basically what this does, this just allows you to draw within your brochure. So if you want to utilize this feature, feel free to do so. So something like that. You can also change what kind of pen you want to use. You can also use highlighters, this pencil. You also have an eraser right here if you want to erase some stuff. You can also change the color right here. You can also add shapes if you want to. So yeah. You can also add lines. You can also add sticky notes if you want to. Add additional text. Add tables. So yeah. Feel free to add any of these details if you want to. What you can also do is use apps right here within Canva. So just go to apps right here and then you'll have access to a lot of apps that you can choose from so that you can apply them to your brochure. So they have apps right here and where you can add anime style images, profile photos, sketch to life, an image enhancer, cartoonify, a logo maker, a cartoon filter. So yeah, all of these apps are usually AI based. So yeah, so if you want to utilize AI, you can use some of these apps right here. So as an example, I'll use this logo maker right here. I'll just click on open. There you go. Then there you go. And then it will ask you describe the logo you want. So I want a logo for a traveling agency in Italy. So something like that. Just simply add your prompt there. Click on create and then it will now start creating your logo for you. And then there you go. It has now created a logo for us. So what you can do is just make it small there and then you just simply add it within your brochure right here. So for example, I'll just add it right here in this corner. I'll just make it small and there you go. So yeah, they also have a lot of apps right here that you can choose from. So yeah, feel free to check all of these apps out and check out if you can use any of these apps. So yeah, afterwards, once you're done editing out the details of your brochure right here, what you can now do is just simply save it. Or what you can also do is if you want to share this with a team and let others help you, what you can do is just simply click on share right here and then you can add people right here and give them access to this image. So just simply click on this box right here that says people with access. So you can add people right here and then just simply add the names, groups, or emails of people you want to add right here so that they can also help you edit in making the brochure. And then what you can also do is change the access level right here. So you can change it to only you can access or anyone with the link can access this. And then what you can also do is at the top right here, you can also change the name of your brochure. So the brochure name right now is a travel guide in visiting Italy. So you can change that as well. So I'll just name it as travel guide. There you go. So yeah, you can also print it right here with Canva. You can also add comments right here. Check out the analytics. So in here, you'll get to see the analytics right here, like the total unique visitors, the total visits, and a lot more. So yeah, and then once you're done, and then once you're ready to export it or save it, just simply go to share right here, go to download. Afterwards, you can now select the file type right here on how you want to export the image. So you can export it as a JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4 video, a GIF, an SVG, or a PPT. So feel free to choose on which kind of file type you want to use. Afterwards, if you're using Canva Pro, you can edit out the size of the image right here. You can also limit the file size as well, compress the file, make the background transparent. You can also select which pages you want to save or download. Then you can also save the download settings right here to your liking. So as an example, I'll just export it as a PNG. And then once you're done and ready to download it, just simply click on download. So there you go. Just wait for it to download. So it's loading right now. So just wait for it to finish. And then there you go, it's now completed. So in the top right here, it is now downloading. So just wait for the download to finish. And then there you go, it's now done. So we can now open it up. So as you can see, it's a zip file. So if your Canva project has multiple pages, it will just usually export in a zip file. So what you can do is show this in your folder. And then what you can do is just right click that zip file and just simply click on extract right there. Click on extract again, and then there you go, the image or the zip file has now been extracted. Then when you open up the image right there, so as you can see, it now contains our edited image. So that was page 1, so this one was page 1, and then right now this is page 2. And then from there you can now print out your brochure. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a brochure in Canva. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.